Unlocking everyday English. Arrange the flowers. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a common phrase that's both simple and deeply rooted in daily conversation. Arrange the flowers. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, understanding these everyday phrases can significantly enhance your English fluency. So, let's get started and unlock the beauty behind these words. Arrange the flowers might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. To arrange means to put things in a neat, attractive, or required order. And flowers, as you know, are those lovely, colorful parts of plants that brighten our world. When combined, the phrase isn't just about organizing flowers in any order. It's about doing so with intention, creativity, and care, often in a vase or a garden, to enhance their natural beauty or to create a particular aesthetic appeal. 1. At home. Someone might ask you to arrange the flowers after buying a fresh bouquet from the market. 2. In event planning. Whether it's a wedding, a birthday, or any celebration, arrange the flowers is a common task, highlighting the importance of ambiance. 3. In gardening shows or blogs, professionals or enthusiasts discuss various ways to arrange flowers in gardens or pots for aesthetic or practical purposes. Arranging flowers isn't just a physical activity. It's an art form with deep cultural and emotional layers. In many cultures, the way flowers are arranged can convey different messages or emotions, from love and happiness to sympathy and respect. This phrase, therefore, encapsulates not only the action but also the intention behind the arrangement, making it a meaningful expression of human feelings and aesthetics. To truly embrace the phrase, here are some simple tips. 1. Choose a variety of colors and sizes for visual interest. 2. Trim the stems at an angle before placing them in water to enhance their water intake. 3. Remove any leaves that fall below the waterline to prevent bacterial growth. 4. Consider the arrangement's height and shape. It should complement its container and the space it will occupy. 5. Experiment with different styles to find what you love. We hope this exploration of Arrange the Flowers adds a new layer of understanding and appreciation for not just the phrase, but the depth of emotion and culture it represents in the English language. Whether you're arranging a bouquet or just enjoying the beauty of organized flowers, remember, it's more than an action. It's an expression of creativity and emotion. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy arranging!